Hello and welcome to dptutorials. In this video, I will show you how to master the drop function in Excel. This function helps you remove unwanted rows or columns from a dataset, making your data cleaner and easier to work with. Let's get started. What is a drop function in Excel? The drop function in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to eliminate specific rows or columns from a dataset dynamically. Instead of manually deleting data, you can use drop to clean unfiltered data efficiently. Syntax will be like drop, open the parentheses, array, rows, columns. Let's take a simple example to demonstrate the drop function. Below is the sample sales data. Scenario 1. Remove the first two rows. Type the formula in cell J8 as equals to drop, open the parentheses, select the array as D8 to G14, comma, in the rows argument type as 2, 0 as columns, close the parentheses and press enter. This formula removes the first two rows, leaving only the data from February to June. Now, second scenario, remove the last row. Type the formula in cell J8 as equals to drop with the same array, -1 this time, 0, close the parentheses and press enter. You will observe this formula removes the last row, June's data, while keeping the rest intact. Next scenario, remove the first column, that is the month column. Now modify the formula as 0 in the rows argument and 1 in the column argument and press enter. This formula removes only the first column, the month column, while keeping all rows. Scenario, remove the last two columns, sales and region. Now modify the formula as equals to drop, open the parentheses, array as D8 to G14, 0, -2, close the parentheses and press enter. This formula keeps only the month and product columns while removing the sales and region. Understood? Why use drop-down function? Saves time. No need for manual deletions. Dynamic updates works well with real-time data changes. Reduces errors. Ensures structured data filtering. That's it. You have now mastered the drop function in Excel. Try these formulas in your spreadsheets and see how they work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to dptutorials. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on powerful Excel tips. See you in the next video. Happy learning.